Visst står i du alltså. Skål. Skål ja.
Via? Via? Who are we?
모치.
point is, you don't have to be in a convent to make your life meaningful. I mean, Sister Agnes belonged here, but you don't.
So who's going to take Sister Agnes's place?
Nobody can take her place. Just like nobody can take your place.
I miss her.